So what you're going to do is you're going to make double lines for the trunks. Okay, now. And now when you make the trunks, it is not necessary that you have to do it with your ruler, because when you see the trunk of the trees, they are not absolutely straight. Okay. So you can do this freehand also without using a ruler. Now first see how I'm making. For example, this is one trunk that I've made. Now one trunk I'm going to start from here. So I'm going to leave a little space here. I'm going to make one line here. And I'm going to make one more straight line like this. Now, once you have done this, now what we have to do is, now all the space in between the trunks, okay, we are going to fill up with light blue color using our watercolors. And now simply you're going to use a blue color and fill up all the space in between the trunks. Color very slowly, children. Now this one is also looking a very light, so I'm just going to add a little bit of more blue here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make a couple of branches with white paint and few branches with black color. I'm going to start from the trunk of the tree. Okay, so for example, I'll just make one branch like this, one branch like this, maybe another branch like this. So I don't want too many branches, just a few. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add few black branches. Okay, so for the black branch, you will take a very thin brush. Okay, ma'am. Now see how I'm making my black branches. So now from somewhere else, I'm just going to take out a thin branch like this. And I will let it go on the other tree also. Okay, so you can take out again from anywhere. Now what I want you to do is very slowly do all the markings on all your trunks. Make sure you're putting in bigger strokes like this, little longer strokes like this. Some strokes can come from the middle, some from the left side, some from the right side. Make it look very natural. Slowly start your strokes. Just press your crayon a little harder on your paper and then you make the strokes. Okay, now once you've completed this, now what we are going to do, we have to draw some leaves on it. So we will not be drawing anything. We will be directly painting it with our fingers. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the yellow color first. Okay, so you can take this yellow, you can take this yellow, any of the two colors. I will be taking a little bit of this yellow. Now I'm going to dip my finger, my index finger in water. And I'm going to put some water on the paint because the paint is already dried. Okay, I'm not using my brush, children. Now see what I'll be doing. I'm going to rub my finger on the paint wherever I have the branches. Okay, so I'm just randomly going to make some yellow dots there. Some dots can come on the trunk of the tree as well. And once you complete the yellow, now you will start with your light green. Okay, same way, add water to your light green, any light green that you have. Rub it nicely. Okay, and now start randomly filling up green leaves. Now make sure, children, your yellow leaves should not totally get covered up by the green leaves. Now, once all this has dried up, now you will take your darkest green. So I will be taking this dark green.